In this GIMP tutorial, you learn how to outline text, which can be used for shadows as well. Here you see there's a text layer with plain white text. To select the text contours, select the layer and click the right mouse button. And click on Alpha to selection. The text contours are selected as you see. Now click the right mouse button here and choose New Layer. Enter a layer name and click on OK. Then go to the Select tab and click on Grow. Enter 10 pixels for example. You can also change the units here. Click on OK to apply. Select the Bucket Fill tool and choose a foreground color, which is black in this example. Also make sure Foreground Color Fill is selected. Click somewhere in the new layer to fill it with a black color. Then click on the new layer and hold the left mouse button and drag it below the original text layer. Now the original text will be outlined with 10 pixels. Press Ctrl+Z to undo some steps until you are back to the text selection. Then go to the Select tab and click on Grow again. Enter 20 pixels and click on OK to apply. Click somewhere in the new layer to fill it with a black color. Drag the outline layer below the original text layer again, and you see the outline is thicker now because it's 20 pixels instead of 10. You can also change the opacity here to create a shadow effect. Press M to activate the Move tool. Click and drag the mouse to move the layer. And you can place it where you want to create a nice effect. Press Ctrl+Z when you want to undo some steps. For more interesting how-to videos, you can watch the other videos of this channel.